Hello, one idea a day, AI in agriculture. We are here today with some nice, soft, delicious blueberries. Oh, sorry, some of them fall down. And yes, by the way, I discovered one. You see, it was mold. Sometimes it happens even if you are paying some good amount of money for blueberries. Still, there are some cases when you can discover those berries which are not consumable due to their status, and that's why we will speak about quality control of blueberries. And I want to share the screen with you, and it will be interesting screen, I believe, because I already have a video about the quality assurance, quality control of blueberries, but also I want to tell you that we continue our journey, and we continue to see how state-of-art AI models, specifically computer vision models, can help with quality control of blueberries. Blueberry production cycles, they are not based in central part of Lima or the heart of Barcelona. They exist in quite rural areas with not so good coverage of internet, and that's why we should not rely on very heavy and energy consuming models, because obviously it's possible to do the very beautiful and productive and robust model, state-of-art model for blueberry quality control. But in real life, the story is different, and they simply do not have the technological level of equipment to run that models. And for example, if we will take the ordinary smartphone, it's not about iPhone 17 and try to use the latest model using ordinary smartphone, there will be no result. And that's why the art of artificial intelligence in agriculture is the attempt to fit the existing innovations into the capabilities which are present on the ground. And that's why, yes, maybe you will be interested in some discoveries which we have done. Let me know if you are the blueberry grower and you are interested in quality control of your blueberries, specifically offline control, specifically mobile first control, as I mentioned. And then I believe we can have nice, productive conversations. And yeah, there are so many opportunities in this area. Thank you.